Hi everyone, let's make a Nutella Christmas tree. This is so easy to make, but it looks like you put in so much effort. It's a real showstopper. So to begin, we're going to need 250 grams of puff pastry. If you already have the pre-rolled sheets, you're going to need only 2 of them. So you just want to roll them out until they're 1/4 of an inch thick. Cut into 2 equal rectangles and trim the edges. Place 1 sheet of puff pastry on top of the other and let's begin shaping our tree. So you just want to cut away the sides and make the trunk, then we will work towards the branches of the tree. Separate the 2 sheets and fill with 50 grams of Nutella, or your favorite chocolate spread, even jam or lemon curd. It's entirely up to you. You can customize the fillings to your preference. Personally, my favorite is lemon curd. I add a little extra lemon zest to the filling and sprinkle the tops with some granulated sugar. It just makes a perfect dessert. Now you just want to make some slits, 1 centimeter apart, and making sure that the middle or the trunk stays intact. Twist each strip twice and press down to stick it to the baking sheet. Add a puff pastry star to the top. Combine 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of whole milk. Just mix it enough to combine and brush the top of this tree with the egg and milk glaze. Bake at 220 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes and dust the top with icing sugar. Well, thank you for watching everyone. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!